Hi everyone, it's Jeff Roney here with Keller Williams Realty, and I'm going to talk to you today about down payments to purchase a home that you're going to live in, an owner-occupied home. I have people calling me frequently or coming into my office thinking that they have to have a 20% down payment to purchase a home. And it's just not the case. No way. There's a lot of ways to do it for less than 20% down. Sure, it helps sometimes if you have 20% down or more to be competitive if you're in a multiple bidding situation, but people have been buying homes with less than 20% down for years. So how can you do it? First of all, a conventional mortgage. 5% down is normally the minimum. There's also programs that some lenders have for a conventional loan with 3% down. You have FHA loans, very commonly used for folks that don't have a large down payment. The FHA rules for a down payment are 3.5%. You also have Veterans Administration loans, 0% down. You have USDA Rural Housing Program, which is 0% down. The property has to qualify. It has to be in an area where you can get that type of loan. However, they're not all out in the country with nobody else around. Oftentimes they're in locations that you wouldn't expect and they qualify for USDA. So you've got to check with your lender, check with your realtor to see if you might qualify for a rural housing program loan. You also have grant money out there. There are local businesses that offer grant money for fix-ups, for down payments, for closing costs. Here in Syracuse, we have Home Headquarters. They have grant money available. There are also lenders that have grant money available. A local lender recently had grant money available in $20,000 increments for first-time home buyers. It was based on income level, and you had to be below a certain amount of income annually to qualify for the loan, but it was a pretty liberal amount, and you didn't have to be at the very minimum or below average income in the area to qualify for one of those grants. There are other lenders that have matching programs to help people accumulate the money they need for down payments and closing costs. There are also some government programs out there from time to time. Some are federal, some are state, some could even possibly be local to help people get into homes. Primarily first-time buyers, but not necessarily. So there are definitely different ways out there that you can get in without coming up with a 20% down payment. So if you have questions, just let me know. I'm happy to answer them. Have your realtor, have your banker help you find some of these ways to get in with an amount that's going to fit into your budget so that you don't have to wait until you can accumulate at least a 20% down payment. It's just a common misconception. I think maybe it came from the old days when you had to have 20% down, but that was a long time ago. I've been in this business for over 30 years here in Central New York, and you've never had to have 20% down to buy a home. So that's the good news. Happy house hunting, and I hope to talk to you soon. Have a great rest of your week.